Hello everyone, if you're getting this error 0xC00007B when you're trying to launch GTA 5, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix that annoying GTA 5 error easily. First off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your web browser and then you're going to go on to this link. I'm going to put this link into the description of the video, and then you're going to download this file. And now what you're going to do is you're going to open it up, and then you're going to paste all of these files that are in the RAR file into your games directory. So go into your GTA's directory, press OK on here, and that will extract all of these files into your games directory. And once you're done with that, what you're going to do is you're going to open up the start menu. You're going to write Windows Defender, go into virus and threat protections, go into manage settings, right under virus and threat protection settings, scroll down until you find add or remove exclusions. Put in your GTA 5's directory into the exclusion like this. Now you're good to go. You have successfully fixed that 0x00007B error in GTA 5. Now you can go ahead and play your game. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was to fix that annoying error. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.